unicorns, how are you all doing? I really believe you all are doing great in your lives. So, as you have seen in the title and thumbnail, this video is going to be about my life currently. I started this channel 2 years back, and my feelings, thoughts, and ideas back then were so different from what it is now. So, I thought, why not share it with this lovely community I have here on YouTube? So, if you are someone new to my channel or coming across me for the first time, hi, I'm Harita and welcome to Tales of Unicorn. I was recalling my traveling days and the time when I started my channel. I love traveling to a new place. I love being amidst nature, and every last day of the trip would be the hardest for me because I didn't want to leave at all. And speaking of my channel, I just wanted to travel and share my stories with this world. But yes, one of my motive was even to start earning from it, but the path to it is definitely not easy. And honestly, back then I didn't think about the path, how will I be able to do it. I just started and kept going with breaks on and off. Initially, I had money saved up and started traveling, but as much as I loved the traveling part, I equally hated the editing part as well. It involved too much of my time, and as I was working from office, it felt too hectic. My screen time also increased, but at a point, I got used to editing. But even then, the travel to office work during weekends, editing, everything got to my head, and that's when I started having self doubts. Because on one hand, I was struggling with all this, but on the other hand, my community growth was also very slow, and that's when I took a pause and introspected what is happening with me. That's when I realized I wanted to do something and started it, but I did not enjoy the process at all. Right from traveling, I had so many frustrations because I had money constraints. I was not able to spend more than 2 to 3 days in a single destination, and it didn't feel enough for me. I was not able to explore completely. And second thing, I had this constant work of content creation that I slowly started disconnecting from traveling and was more concerned about my content. So I didn't enjoy my travels wholeheartedly. Next, once I came back from the trip, I didn't like the process of editing. I started procrastinating, which led to breaks on YouTube, which is kind of a blunder because to excel on YouTube, you have to be consistent, and consistent doesn't mean you have to post videos every single day. Even if it's 1 or 2 videos a week, you should be consistent, which I lacked by the way, and that made me start losing subscribers, followers, which made me worried. But at that point, I took a pause and thought, why was I thinking about numbers? Because when I started my channel, my base motive was not subscribers or followers. And that's when it hit me. I was running behind numbers. I was focusing too much on content, and I did not do justice to the passion which made me start all this in the first place. I had quit my job and even took a pause on traveling. My last trip was Mysore the last year during October, and after that, I did a Singapore trip with my father in Jan, which was pre planned long ago, by the way. So, from last October to till this June, I did not do any trips by myself. I was feeling exhausted. I even lost both my grandmothers in a span of 6 months. But thankfully, I was able to handle all this so well because I was into this mental health and mindset stuff already. So, before getting into the crucial part of the video, I want you to watch a clip from my very first video, which is the introductory video. And I am here on this platform to share a lot of interesting and informative content, mainly on travel, but also on food, lifestyle, education, and law of attraction related content, and law of attraction related content, and law of attraction related content. So you would have seen me speak about universe and law of attraction topic on this video dated November 28, 2021. So it's like 2.5 years back, and all this while I never once posted a video related to that area. I honestly do not know why I didn't do it, but I assume maybe I didn't have enough expertise on that area back then. But now it is not like that. I'm getting certified as a life coach and healer. Drumroll please. Yes, during the introspection and realization time, I figured out what I wanted to do with my life, and that's when I took up this as a profession. So, more details on how this transition happened, how this can be done, and a lot of other stuff coming up in some other videos someday. Because in this video, I just wanted to share how my life has been and where I'm standing currently. So, by profession, I'm a life coach and healer, but by passion, I will always love to be a travel nomad. So, this doesn't mean I'm quitting traveling. Of course, I'll plan my travel travel soon depending on the monsoon, but this time my travels will be slow and I'll shoot the content in a pace which I like and I'm comfortable with. But also, as I said in the very first video, I'll be talking more about my profession, mainly through shorts, but also on long videos sometimes. So it would be stuff like who's a life coach or healer, how to control your mind, how to create a routine, golden nuggets of manifestation, and I'll also share about my free webinars, workshops, boot camps, etc. So if you are interested in any of this stuff and if you'd like to see this on a daily basis, please check my Instagram account, which is lifecoach.harita. So I've created this account separately for this and I've already been posting quite a lot of stuff there, so do check this account and follow. So this is my life update, guys. I've been working on myself and getting myself trained on mindset transformation and manifestation. So you guys might wonder why she's doing all this here, why not create a new channel. I actually even started a new channel, but later I thought I really have an amazing community already here, so maybe I'll start with them by sharing this golden information with them, and in the future if need be I can start a separate channel for it. Finally, all I want to say is this version of Harita is a life coach and healer, but she will also be traveling to new destinations at a slower pace, and also during this journey her only motive is to spread information and awareness to as many people as possible, be it traveling or life coaching. So finally, with the hope that you all will be here always to support and encourage me, I end this video here. For any queries, you can drop a comment or contact me via Tales of Unicorn or Life Coach Harita Instagram page. So for more of my videos, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you real soon in my shorts or long form videos very soon in a revamped version. So until then, unleash the unicorn in you.